Today I'm going to be reviewing AA Audio Accessories 10-foot silent cord. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So what makes this so special? Well, this is what makes it so special right here. This is going to allow you to change out guitars during a live concert or even just at home without that big pop. This uses Neutrik REAN silent plug and it grounds it, so when you plug it in and unplug it, you don't get that pop. And it's so much easier than some of the other solutions out there. Mute buttons on the plug, you can forget it. This is literally nothing you have to push. Just plug it in and exchange it with another guitar, move it around, no pop. That is absolutely huge. These cords are really nice. They are Kevlar-Reinforced. Also, the nice thing about AA Audio Accessories is they give a full lifetime warranty. They're so well made that if you run into any problems, all you have to do is reach out to them and they're going to help you out. And finally, what I really like about these is not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.5 stars, 120 reviews, and last month, 300 of these 10-foot cords were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.